Up the speed from 500 millimeters per minute to 1500 millimeters per minute. And again, you could do it in imperial as well. It's just set up right now. The stuff I'm running is just all in millimeters, so leaving it at that. So what we'll do is we're running about 3 times as fast at the same amperage. So we'll see how this goes. A lot faster, as you can see, and the cut quality should be a lot better. There we are. So we'll go check out the cut quality on that piece then. Wow, that's a lot better. So, this is the cut quality when we up the speed 3 times to a much more impressive 1500 millimeters a minute. Oh, come on. Here, we'll get close to the ground. Yeah, so as you can see, the cut quality is greatly improved, and again, the corners stay nice and sharp. So it's a pretty good cutter when it does everything all perfectly like that, huh? Yeah. And again, there is an oxy fuel head for it, and I'll just show that to you in all the tips. So this is the thing. Oh, it's stuck on my desk. There's some stuff on it, but this is it. The solenoids all connect up via a 5-pin AV connector, aviation connector, up to up there on the head, and then there's this actual torch that can be mounted in there as well. So I look forward to hearing from your email. Send me back as soon as you can if you're interested. Thank you. Bye.